we have got official frequently asked question on EVM and VVPAT. I request all of you to kindly popularize that. There are some notion about VVPAT among the illiterate quarter. We got to know that some people are saying that through VVPAT they will get to know who has voted for whom. So this we want to make it very clear that these are completely confidential machines and nobody will be able to see who voted for whom. This we want to make it very clear. The returning officers have already been instructed to launch an awareness campaign in the local BDM for such voters who are illiterate or who don't understand the local language. So they will make a special either through awareness campaign, through street play and other things. But we would like media to popularize this, that VVPAT are completely confidential machines and in no way anyone can get to know who has voted for whom. So secrecy of the vote is guaranteed. And I warn any rumor monger that if any such kind of rumor has come to our notice that a particular person is spreading rumor about VVPAT, we will take strong legal action.
VVPAT यंत्र ताची बरोवकी कित्याक दवरता की जो मतदान करता ताका कळूंक जाय की आपूण मतदान कोणाक करता आनी आपणे ज्याचे मुखावेलो बटन दाबला त्याच मनशाक तें मत गेलां काय ना हें कळपाक जाय म्हणून. त्या हातूंतल्यान जी स्लीप येतली ती स्लीप कोणाक घेवपाकूय मेळची ना. ती स्लीप आपुणूच ऑटोमॅटिकली ताजे पोंदां जे बॉक्स आसतले त्या बॉक्सान वतली आनी ते बॉक्स तशाचे सील जातले. जर ते बॉक्स सील जातले जाल्यार ती स्लीप कोणाच्या हातान सापडची ना. म्हणजे सिक्रेसी वोटींग आसा तें डिस्टर्ब जावचें ना. तें बॉक्स ओपन करपाक मेळना कारण तें बॉक्स ताजे उपरांत परत आमी सील करतले. कारण फक्त तें बॉक्स दवरचें ना, यंत्र सकट बॉक्स परत सील करतले आनी सील केल्लें यंत्र आमच्या कस्टडीन हातूंत उरतलें की तें भायर कोणाक मेळचें ना.